Hi, everybody. It's Nanny K with Eric Hill's Papercraft Studio. Unfortunately, being a little bit up in age, a little bit forgetful, I don't know where the footage is for finishing out the last journal that I put together, which is our budget planning journal. It is finished, and I gave it just a one strand so it wouldn't get too much in the way. It is on an elastic with some charms and some pearls. Of course, it's not real pearls, but it is made with a specific type of spine that is very interchangeable. It's made with elastic, and the interior signatures, of which I'll show you up close and personal in just a second, can be added to very quickly. But in finishing out this journal and putting together the budget journal, which I'm holding backwards, I lost the footage. So we'll just do a quick overview, look through it, and which won't just take a minute or two because it is based on 12 months for your budgeting needs for the next 12 months. It has a pocket for the envelopes and a budget sheet for doing budgeting. So we'll look over that and see how it was finished out and look at some of the decoration. And that'll be it for the budget journal for 2025.